ka gold bio oil, ka umpniang kali ka babahatam na kabanta ki kali. Ka baduna artangka na kiwe ki diesel, ka umpniang ka bakhuj bat ka bompen jabo e kamariang, ka ai shipo hadu khasan persen ka mileage banya kiwe ki umpniang kali, ka trekam habaro ki charge engine diesel claim dadon kam ban penkala, ka penjam berpenjalan Yakarta jok ke engine. Ban apply nak banta ban bu yaki petrol pump, pila ban pun haki number, pra khandai hnyo saw, lai saw iwar, khandai lai nriu, ar hnyo nriu saw san, hnyo saw ar khandai saw iwai, hnyo khandai iwai san, bat lai nriu iwar, pra khandai nriu ar not ar. Pila ru ban login sa www.goldbio.com. Khub chale, zyada chale.
Hadin kacing ang nuot jong kipait baha ka jela na ka benta ban pendap ban pleno e ka entry point ka baha ka snong umling ha ka ba menta ka sngi layo ban pleno e ka ne ka entry point do sembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba preston tensong harangkar kacing don lang menteri badai pet ya ka community and rural development uba hamlet doling bod menteri ka rap karyang uba pantai dor ling do lai don lang i deputy commissioner jong ka Ribhoi district ikong RM Kurpa u superintendent of police jong ka Ribhoi district uba lamare Badharangkar kajingnya don lang kinong mikmat na Ribhoi district kibakan thop yo MLA ko Umroi constituency ba George Billing do MLA ka Jirang constituency uba Sostenus Sotun MLA ko Umsning constituency uba Jason Maulong bod MDC ka Jirang constituency uba Victor Rani nakaliang usembut menteri rang ba habayakran bakilat patai kubor uloong ba kanika krodop entry point kan yada na kajingwan rung kertap jong kibreu kibana kiwei pat kijela Hakaba nakaliang ka sarkar kalada ban penbit penbiang bha hakarukam ka badai ya kane ka entry point hakaba kibreu kibawan na kiwei pat kijela barkumju kibawan na kiwei pat kiri kin ha ban ya langba na kane ka khardap shabakin rong shapo ka jela dakaba kin ha ban penrong ya ka kerteng ka jongki harangkar ka kerteng jong ka jela ka bakiwan bar ulo ongru balada dangdon kano ka badang duna hakane ka khardap sobha ban ajingmot nakaliang ka sarkar ka kloi ban tiang kijing ajingmot lagi de nakaliang jong kino ki kenja kanhun lane nakaliang ki paiba bad ulo ongru ban nakaliang ka sarkar kaladang penkre susu ban bu no shen ki khardap entry exit point sahi ki lai tili ki jaka ha ka jella kata ki bakan thop ya ka rata chera ka baichang duba bad ka mandi patha railway station hakane ka sngi lawan ru ban ya sakhilang ya kane da ki sautili ki sang phalang ki bakan thop ya ka HNYF RBYF FKJGP but ka KSU
inaugurated the facilitation center or entry point as wanted by the people of the state long time back, and today I should say today is the red letter day where ultimately we are able to inaugurate this entry point, which is known as facilitation center for those friends coming in or entering into our state. So I'm so happy, I'm so thankful to all of my colleague Minister Hamlet and also my colleague MLAs in the assembly who are able to be here and then to witness the inauguration of the entry point this morning. So I think you must have seen before we reach here, I think you must have inspected each and every counter. So this one is an humble beginning done by the government. Well, I would like to tell you, we may have shortcoming here and there, but I would request to every concerned, please feel free if you have any kind of suggestion. We are ready to accept it. We will modify it, and not only modification, we would like to improve this entry point or facilitation center to the extent where our friends coming in from different parts of our country as well as from outside the country, that the moment they landed here in this place, they feel homely and they feel safe. See why government wanted, the intention of why we wanted to set up integrated entry or facilitation center like this. It's because we wanted to make sure our friends coming in from outside the state are totally safe, and not only safe by registering themselves because nowadays, you know, when we say registration, maybe people thought that, well, I have to go and then I have to spend my whole day in queuing up in the line. But now, as I said, the technology is already in place where the e-device is in place and people can do pre-registration, and those people who cannot, the moment they landed here, again we will make sure that the system is fast and then they don't have to wait for long. So therefore, I would like to request our friends coming from outside the state, please don't hesitate to visit the most beautiful state, the most beautiful states, I should say, in India, like Meghalaya. And the people of Meghalaya are so welcoming to all of them. And I would like to assure our friends coming from outside the state, feel homely, be here with us through your pre-registration or maybe on the spot registration. We are there to help you out. How many days you want to stay in Meghalaya, you are free, just indicate yourself and then the destination that you wanted to, you wanted to maybe to visit different parts of the state, we are there to help you out. So that is the intention of the government. Secondly, I would like to inform all of you, the next entry point of facilitation center that we are going to set up very soon. Number one is Bajandoba. Land has been just handed over to the government, and number two is what's that? From the Chinese, Ratashan. And that also, I'm happy to inform all of you that the land has been handed over to tourism department. So hopefully by next year we will be able to set up similar entry point of facilitation centers in these two places. And the next one is Medipatha railway station. Now Tangkawi, ini bersuktu ha. Kinong India, nak benong bagi lombi an benong lu hakano wijela por India. Ini ben keng abai kata. Kamdon na ke constitution jong India benong bau nong nang tin akal tau nang lapar lu ngapo Megla. But kamdon lu ke constitution na ke India benong ba unong Megla umlak baru akal kata. Ngide ban suku baik. Hang ni ka kebengilai ngopi. This model, I think it is the first model ever in India, in different states. Haka bangingi kwa, ngopi bangindon ya kaneka facilitation center, ka entry point, bakin register, la pide ki tourist, la ne pide ki bawan don kam, la ne pide ki professionals, la pide ki students, la pide ki laborers, ki bakwan one trace ni, ngingi kwa ban register. Habis register kamu berong bagi kanglat bakin wan. Dengan kuat berong yang pi nilai ya kene nak minta ke jingbik jingbiang jongki. Maria kene ngi pen inbound. Hakane ka an ke jongi ngi pen inbound nadu ke Darbarsno. Hadu ke police station. But hadu ke district task force kamu ke bahar daki deputy commissioner. But ia borok. Ladon ngilak link lang hakane ka sistem ke bengilai. Dia nak kata orang pi kamu berong bagi kuat ban khang ye noi no bakin wan ten rei habaki wan dakan ni kelenti ngani tu ipi lagi sa si snem ne kisah ru benai ne kisah si arsnem ne laisnem ne ki bapuli ki sup don ban ong ban kus lai namat pi ngatai pi tenteng kiseng balang bapli dia le dia check ye kini kita kum kini ki lebo license kini kita nang ne sekmak ngan si tu pa kin nang ne sekmak ngin simplify kita, but we'll make sure bagi bawan hang ni hapok rejela jongi ni welcome ya ki tambah ki deban penbiang ya ki kuat Islam. Next lebih ong pada ya ki banaba jong kari India lada dei ki illegal mo ki illegal kemudian imla penai dan ki bawan lengba jong visa ki pasport jongi balang biang narasong again ya kata ngi issue register ni tak dasik